अच्छा, इस आपने इससे पहले कहा था कि आपकी हर फिल्म में आपकी हीरोइन का नाम सबसे पहले आएगा, तो इस फिल्म में भी ये होगा?
जी, विवान का नाम सबसे पहले आ रहा है।
Alright. Shahrukh Sakhi from Headlines Today and Aaj Tak. I want to ask you and Farah, you guys are going to be touring US and Canada in the next coming month with
I think
your
Canada is
son.
not happening. I just want to announce, if I'm not mistaken, Cineyug is here. I think Toronto is... okay, Vancouver might happen. Yeah, okay, sorry, Canada's there. Yeah, sorry, Toronto's not happening. Sorry.
Okay,
Yeah, Sakhi.
okay. I just want to ask you, where did this idea come along? And Shahrukh, you've been a marketing whiz in your past projects. Was this your idea as well, to go around on a world tour taking this movie?
Sakhi, is very simple actually. I find this very strange when people talk about me being a marketing XYZ. I have a team of people who are wonderful, who we named. There's Venki sir, Manesh, Gaurav, Manish, Karuna. They're wonderful people who know. We are the creative team of the film, and we like to keep ourselves away from any other aspect of the film than creating it. And I haven't done a world tour for 10 years now. The last was Temptations. I've just reloaded it and done it in smaller places and in a smaller level. And then you have this wonderful cast of people, so talented, a film about dancing. And I just kind of requested them, you know, guys, I haven't done a world tour. Some of them haven't done a world tour for some time. So I said, you know what, we have enough of a team here. So why can't we just go and try and do a world tour?
The film organically lends itself to a tour like that, I think.
Yeah. Having said that, you know, the world tour is actually very generic and honest to being a world tour. It's a mix of every song, dance, sequences that we've done over the last 8-10 years. But it's a good excuse. मतलब ऐसा था, मौका है, दस्तूर है, तो ऐसा लगा कि ये भी कर देते हैं. But in a certain sense, it is not in any which way as a marketing thought. We've been talking about world tours, all of us. Deepika, myself, Farah said it, Abhishek and me have spoken about it. So somewhere down the line, it fell into place. We've had such a great time making this film for the last year and a half that we thought, you know, if the team continues, you miss each other. Like tonight for me is an extremely poignant and sad night because the film goes out to the public. It doesn't remain ours. And you want to stay with the team which has created such a wonderful sequencing together. And I've asked, just to rest everyone, because I keep reading it on tweet, Vishal Shekhar also to be a part of it, but they're busy. They just have done a world tour. That's why. It's no other reason. But I would like the whole team to, you know, stay as long as we can till the film releases, inshallah. So it's not a part of the marketing. If it adds on to the film, it'll be wonderful. And if it doesn't, I think it'll still be very wonderful.
Hello. Hi, this is Seema from Bombay Times. Shahrukh and Deepika, this is your first heist film, so how exciting and interesting was it for you? Whereas Abhishek has done these kind of films in the past.
But
so
he's
how
always
different was it for
caught
Abhishek?
he's always caught the bad guys. He's never himself.
You evidently have not seen any of my films, Farah. I've never caught the bad guy.
Sorry.
The most hopeless cop there is in the industry.
Sorry, he's never caught, but like, okay, you know what I mean.
Yeah. 3 editions you've not seen.
Okay.
Heisty with you. That we'll discuss later. It's actually one of my first sort of this kind of film. I've usually largely done love stories, romantic comedies, but you're right, this is one of the first time. And what was different also was the fact that Farah was directing me in a film like this. Om Shanti Om was a pure, you know, love story, whereas this, there is of course the love angle, but the focus is not necessarily that. There's a lot more of the heist. Interesting, different.
I think we both look very good in tights. You know, the heist costume, we look very, very cool. So I enjoyed that part of it.
And the ballet tutus?
Yeah, we'll talk about that to your
I
children.
must say that was by far the most macho thing all my guys have done. Wearing tights and ballet tutus, not many men would agree to that.
Anybody else? We can do
Hi,
last 3
Shahrukh.
4 questions. Yeah.
हाय शाहरुख दी सोमदत्ता फ्रॉम ब्लॉकबस्टर पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर है
पक्का ना, अच्छा लगा ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा
We forgot to ask you all, did you like the trailer,
Yeah,
guys?
really, it's nice,
The
na?
prologue, very...
या इट्स वेरी नाइस
Thank you.
मेरा सवाल आपसे कि इतने साल हो गए इतनी मूवीज आ गई पर फिर भी जब वो पहली झलक आती है ट्रेलर की तो उससे पहले फीलिंग क्या होती है क्या चलता है दिल के अंदर के कैसा होगा कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आएगा
Our own trailer or someone else's trailer?
Of course, your film's trailer.
No, I also get very excited to see the first look of any film that is coming because वो आपको पूरी that is your first impression like they say. तो वो बहुत important होता है और especially आज के ज़माने में वो बहुत ज़्यादा important हो गया है क्योंकि everyone just judges you on the first look that is going to come. So for me, when I see somebody else's trailer also, I get very excited and I want to see what story are they going to tell me. So.
I'd be honest, हम जब फिल्म बनाते हैं और जब लोगों के सामने उसकी प्रस्तुति होती है जैसे आज है तो फिल्म हमारी नहीं रहती, लोगों की हो जाती है. तो मैं नर्वस नहीं होता क्योंकि हमने बहुत खुशी से और सच्चाई और अच्छाई से फिल्म बनाई है. लेकिन मैं टेंस ज़रूर होता हूँ कि जिस तरह से हमने बनाई है उसकी प्रस्तुति आपके सामने अच्छी हो. तो कल रात को 4-5 बजे तक मैं यहाँ पे सबसे लड़ाई कर रहा था और मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा यहाँ के लोगों से, मेरी अपनी टीम से, सिनेयुग से, रेड चिली से, वो बेचारे जिन्होंने प्रोजेक्टर लगाया था. मैंने इतना झगड़ा किया उनसे क्योंकि मुझे लगा क्वालिटी वो नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए थी. तो मेरे को ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा अहम लगती हैं, महत्वपूर्ण लगती हैं उस वक्त कि आप लोगों तक वो पहुंचा सकूं जो हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी ये देश आपके लिए दिखा सकता है. बाकी फिल्म की कहानी जो खूबसूरती है, जितने एक्टर्स हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं हमारी फारा, वो संभाल के रखेंगे ही. बट मी एज एन एक्टर, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, माई जॉब इज़ ओनली दैट आई कैन गिव यू अ गुड इवनिंग एंड यू फील हैप्पी and proud of the product that comes out of our country. So I get very tense about that, nothing else.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल जैकी दास से है. अगर मैं अनुप्रिया प्रभात खबर न्यूज़पेपर से.
जी नमस्कार.
अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो किंग अंकल के बाद शाहरुख के साथ ही आपकी दूसरी फिल्म है.
पहले तो चौथा पांच देवदास भी किया.
अच्छा.
देवदास 1 2 का 4 बड़ो.
शाहरुख कितने बदले हैं?
कंप्लीट तो करने दो.
जी, शाहरुख कितने बदले हैं एज सुपरस्टार और अभी इस फिल्म के निर्माता भी हैं तो.
किंग अंकल, अपना रमाड़ा होटल गोवा.
He's had what Sumita's had.
हाँ सुमिता जी, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. वो शाहरुख बाबा मेरा छोटा भाई किंग अंकल में सामने बैठा, अपने आप में खोया हुआ, एक चार्मिंग खूबसूरत स्माइल जो बहुत कम देता था. उसको देख के लगा कि बहुत ही तहजीब, बहुत ही अदब है. कोना पकड़ा, अपना पी रहा था सिगरेट, अपने काम में फोकस कर रहा था. बच्चे को मेरा शायद किया था, टाइगर छोटा था, वो सब किया, खेला. But he's a guy I always tell Tiger to, I said, look at him. He was the guy who played my younger brother. I was playing the main lead, King Uncle, and छोटा मेरा भाई बना. बहुत खूबसूरत गाना गाया था. पर जिस हिसाब से बाबा ने अपनी ज़िंदगी को पकड़ा और लेके आया आज इस मुकाम पर, एक राजा है, किंग है, ये किंग खान जो है हमारा बाबा. सीखो इससे हर बात सीखना चाहिए. नहीं हकीकत है, इसमें अपने दिमाग में डाल, ताली मार के मत निकाल. जो बोल रहा है मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, बहुत गहरा है और बहुत मतलब बहुत डीप है. बड़ो ऊपर जितना हंसता है, जितना खुश रहता है, जितना दिखाता है, बहुत अकेला है. राजा है ना, ऊपर रहना मतलब भिड़ू, पहाड़ के ऊपर जाके देख. मतलब चोटी बॉटम से ऊपर आयला है और वो पकड़ के रखेला है और आज भी अपने आप को मतलब बादशाह की तरह रखा है. जिस हिसाब से हम सबकी इज्जत करता है. मैं सीनियर हूँ बाबा से, बहुत प्यार दिया है पूरी पिक्चर के अंदर. इतना प्यार दिया मतलब मैंने बहुत सारी पिक्चरें की है बड़ू. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा लाल नहीं करते अपन लोग, मगर है लाल. बहुत ऊंचा आदमी है, बहुत अच्छा आदमी है और ऐसा सब बच्चा बनना चाहिए इसकी तरह.
थैंक यू दादा.
बड़ू सही हकीकत है, कुछ बदला नहीं है, वैसा का वैसे ही पहुंच गया बाबा मुकाम अपना ऊपर. वहाँ शुरू किया था किंग अंकल, मैं देखा था कोने में, और आज बाबा उधर है, मगर कुछ बदला नहीं है, वैसा का वैसा ही है. बहुत दिलदार बच्चा है और बहुत अकेला है.
आमतौर पर फिल्मों में देखते हैं हम एक्टर का नाम, एक्ट्रेस का नाम, राज है, रोहन है, राहुल है। यहाँ पर चार्ली, नंदू, जैज, और हम देख रहे हैं ट्विटर पे भी आप लोगों ने नाम जो है चेंज किया। ये क्या है?
एल्थिया, मयूर। नहीं, एक्चुअली चार्ली नाम हम लेजी हो गए थे चेंज करने को, बिकॉज वी टू राइट सम चार्ली. What will we give his name? I'll just write some Charlie and then we'll change his name afterwards. But then it got stuck and then we liked it and then we thought it's different for a Hindi movie. और सबके नाम थोड़े थोड़े अलग रखे हमने. बॉमन का जो नाम है टैमी ईरानी, मेरे मामा का नाम है वो, so टेम्टान ईरानी. So that's that. And Abhishek was Nandu Bhide because it had to rhyme with दिमाग में कीड़े. So literally, and Mohini actually is from 1, 2, 3 तेजाब. इनकी दीपिका की एंट्री जो है, I wanted 500 men screaming Mohini, Mohini. So her name came from there. And चार्ली का नाम एक्चुअली चंद्रमोहन शर्मा है पिक्चर में. और जैग इज जगमोहन प्रकाश. और विवान का नाम हमने रायन रखा था, लेकिन हमने बोला ये धीरे धीरे बहुत ज़्यादा कैथलिक फिल्म होती जा रही है, इसलिए हमने उसको रोहन बना दिया. सो दैट्स इट. आई मीन इट्स ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टिंग टू फाइंड लिटिल क्वर्की नेम्स, और आजकल लोग एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं. तो वी आर होपिंग दैट वी वांट चार्ली.
I'm Rajesh from BollywoodTrade.com. The question is from Shahrukh and Farha.
Question is from us or to?
No, for you.
Okay, for
both of
us.
you.
Thank you.
You're talking about this heist genre. This genre has been tried out quite a bit in the West. Now, do you think that your film would be able to compete with some of the best heist films ever made? And do you think Bollywood films have the strength to transcend the domestic boundaries? The way, I mean, it has happened actually in case of My Name is Khan and all. What do you think about this film? Will it be able to do well internationally, can make money in billions?
I answer that as a producer first, before Farah takes on. Billions will be difficult. I think Avatar is the only billion film. But inshallah, the time is not far away that Indian films will do that. As far as this film is concerned, the genres, I think, are very unique. It's very, I think, I may be speaking out of turn, not with full knowledge, but I don't think there has been a film made in this world which mixes two completely diametrically opposite genres, which is dance and a heist. It's never been done before. So that mix itself, I think the writers and Farah, I think it's an amazingly unique concept. And the way it has been shot by Manoj sir and the production values given by the whole team, I can very, very, and I don't say it because I'm the producer of the film, I say it on behalf of as an audience because I've seen a part of this film. This film can compete with any film internationally as what it looks like and even better. And I'm not showing off. And it may not do the business of a heist international film. It may not be the time right now for Indian films to take that. But here is a film that will, in terms of quality, will make every Indian, everyone around the world extremely proud for being a Bollywood film audience. And it's been made with that scale, with that idea, and that vision, that thought, that belief only comes because you have a director like Farah Khan. So inshallah, it will make you very, very proud.
Last question of the evening.
Good evening, Shahrukh. Anand from India Times. We saw quite a lavish and daring stunt on a helipad, few sequences in the promo. So, a lot has been said about the dancing. Is action also an equally big highlight of the film? Well, it looks really nice, what we saw in the promo.
Actually, all the, I keep joking with Farah that, she being a lady, we tease her. That's the only thing we can tease her about.
He teases me that I'm a lady, first.
No, but that's the only thing we joke about, that tere ko action nahi aata, tere ko action nahi aata. You've got this macho Sonu Sood, you have Abhishek Bachchan, myself, Jagguda, the greatest of he-men all around, and of course Boman, who's
last of the action
but
heroes.
Last of the action heroes. Deepika herself, actually. So we always keep joking with her. But let me tell you, I worked with some of the finest directors in this country. But if there's a lady who knows aggression and action, or anybody in the world who nobody knows it better than Farah. So there's an amazing amount of action.
And I have a great person in charge of my thrills department. If you have followed my last 2 movies, he always gets credit for thrills. Because when I conceive of an action this much, he goes and makes it this much.
No, but in this film has a lot more action than her previous 2 films. I think Sonu's introduction itself, which is quite a, I mean, it's really, really nice. My introduction, the heist itself being so thrilling and active, and it forms a major part of the film. I think it's beautifully conceived and shot by Farah.
I think we changed our style of action. There's no guns this time because my son doesn't like guns.
Yeah.
So Zar, there's no guns in the movie for you.
And Abhishek will tell you about the action
add.
also. Yeah.
You know, I've noticed we've asked a lot of questions about various departments of the film. But essentially, this film is about family. And I'm not saying that in like, oh, it's a family film, but it's about the family of people that today are sitting in front of you and the thousands that have worked behind the scenes. About 2.5 years ago, Shah Rukh, Farah and myself were sitting and we were discussing the film. And I remember 2 things that Shah Rukh told me. It was late in the night. If any of you have ever had a meeting with Shah Rukh, you know that that's when his meeting starts. Late in the night, and he said the first thing is, you know, I want to make India's biggest film. I don't care about the money it makes, it should look like the biggest film. And I think everybody on this dais today will agree after seeing the trailer that I think we've come somewhere close to that. Secondly, he said, you know, we have to concentrate on how we behave off-set. Because if off-set, we're a team and we're a family, that'll show in the film. And that's exactly how we behaved. I mean, we were asked about Dubai and whose house we stayed in. Pretty much we slept in one room almost, because we were all together. We used to pack up, everybody used to be in Shah Rukh's room playing video games or playing something.
I went and slept in my own room, I swear.
That's what
I'm a married lady with
her mother and mother-in-law are here, so we have to say that. But it really, man, it was like, I mean, it sounds so cliched, but the kind of camaraderie that this entire team, from the ADs to the lightmen to the actors to everybody shared, is unbelievable. And I really do believe, I've also done a lot of films, I believe that that camaraderie always shows and translates to celluloid. Although Manush will disagree because we shot digitally, not on celluloid. But that's what the film is about. This film is about, like the promo says, it's about a group of people. And that's been the most important thing. And entire credit to that has to go to these 2 sitting over here, which are Farah and Shah Rukh. You know, it takes a lot. And we haven't said this today, and I think it's our duty to say it, but it takes a lot for somebody of Shah Rukh's stature and ability, and not only about position, to agree to do a film like this, where actually he has spent 90% of his energy pushing all of us in front. Tum log aage jao. You saw this evening also on the ramp, he was pushing everybody ahead. It takes a lot. And it means the world to all of us. And that's what this film is about. This film is about all of us working together towards a common goal. It's not about action or just there's no romance or there is romance and there's comedy. It's about a group of people trying to achieve their dreams, like Shah Rukh said. And you know, Torde Tale, it's not that. It's about going out there and just entertaining. We've made the quintessential Bollywood masala film. And I tell Farah all the time that this is a film Manmohan Desai would have been proud of. This is what this film is.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you everyone for being so kind. Everyone at the back also, everybody who's come from all over India. Thank you for being kind to our film. And inshallah, as we go along, we'll show you more bits. I'd personally like to thank all the actors, the actress, the director, our music directors, people who are in the audience today. Kanika has just walked in, who's done a song for us. Everybody who's present here, whose names I may not have remembered. Thank you for making this dream come true. All the ADs also, everyone. You know, there's so many departments, I forget the names. You know I have a problem with names. But I love you, and inshallah, this film will be something, like Abhishek said, it's a quintessential Bollywood film. When people say in picture में revenge होता है, action होता है, dance होता है, drama होता है, हाँ सब कुछ है और डंके की चोट पर है और अगर इसको उखाड़ सको तो उखाड़ लो ऐसी की तैसी तुम्हारी है. This is a Bollywood film.
And if I may just add, I'm really sorry, but you know, the gentleman asked about, you know, will we be able to compete with Hollywood? Please let me tell you, sir, with immense pride I say, after they see this film, they'll be competing with us. This is the Indian film industry. We're the biggest and best film industry in the world, and let them start competing with us now.
And the last words will be only of the man who makes this film most special, that is Jaguda. Vidu ek dusre pe chadna mat bas. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good night. Thank you very much.